Hi everybody, well today I want to talk about perspective, and by doing that I want to start off with asking you to look at these two quarter round circles and ask which one is longer. Now, which one is longer? You know, the truth is that they're both the same, but how I position them makes one look longer than the other. The lower one, the bottom one, will always look longer than the top one. But the reality is that they are the same length. You see, that's what perspective is. Perspective determines how we see things, how we see people, how we see companies and organizations. And most of the time we see them from our perspective. That's the natural, normal way we see things and we see people. But great leadership, great leaders are able to see people from their perspective. I call it seeing people with your heart. Perspective shapes how we treat people, how we speak to people, how we make plans, how we solve problems. Perspective can determine if we promote somebody or if we hold somebody back. We could see somebody who's outspoken, if we feel threatened, our insecurity is ramped up, and we have power over that person, and so we hold them back, never taking advantage of their full potential and what they could bring to the team or the organization. When we see people from our heart, we open up the possibility of enabling them to become the best version of themselves. You see, when we understand what makes people tick and what makes people click, we move toward becoming a highly effective leader. Let me say that again. When we understand not only what makes people tick, but what makes them click, we move toward becoming a highly effective leader. You see, we all have a click point. That is, when someone is over us, has authority over us, someone who we report to, someone who we're working with, someone on our team, when they understand who we are, when they understand who I am, I click into gear and I become motivated, become to be the best version of myself and contribute the most that I can possibly contribute. Have you ever asked or wondered what turns apathy into passion? And it is this: when you understand who your people are and what makes them tick, when you see them with your heart, something magical clicks inside and clicks their personal performance engine, and they become that high-performing employee you were looking for in the first place. And that's my encouragement for you today, my friends.